Hey everyone, let's talk pizza rolls. Those little pockets of cheesy, savory goodness are a real crowd pleaser. But what if we could make them even better? Imagine pizza rolls packed with fresh veggies, bursting with flavor, and totally plant-based. That's right, we're going vegan, and it's going to be epic. These veggie-packed vegan pizza rolls are not only delicious, but also a healthier alternative to those store-bought ones. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and create a snack that's good for you and tastes amazing. Before we start cooking, let's round up our all-star ingredients. These are the building blocks of our delicious and nutritious pizza rolls, and each one plays a crucial role in creating the perfect bite. For this recipe, we'll need whole wheat pizza dough. This forms the base of our rolls and is a good source of fiber. Feel free to use gluten-free dough if needed. Whole wheat dough not only adds a nutty flavor, but also provides a healthier alternative to regular dough, making our pizza rolls more wholesome. Next up, tomato sauce. Go for a low-sodium option for a healthier choice. This rich and tangy sauce will be spread over our dough, adding moisture and a burst of flavor. Tomato sauce is not just about taste. It's packed with vitamins like A and C and antioxidants like lycopene, which are great for your health. Bell peppers are a must. Choose your favorite colors. I love the vibrant mix of red, yellow, and orange. These colorful veggies not only make our pizza rolls look appealing, but also add a sweet crunch. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamins, especially vitamin C, and they bring a delightful sweetness to balance the savory elements. Spinach is another key ingredient. Packed with nutrients, spinach adds a boost of vitamins and minerals. It's a powerhouse of iron, calcium, and antioxidants. Plus, it wilts beautifully when baked, blending seamlessly with the other ingredients while adding a subtle earthiness. Mushrooms are next on our list. Sliced mushrooms add a meaty texture and earthy flavor. They are low in calories but high in important nutrients like selenium, potassium, and vitamin D. Mushrooms also have a unique umami quality that enhances the overall taste of our pizza rolls. Red onion brings a bit of sharpness and crunch. Finely diced red onion adds a pop of color and a slight bite that contrasts nicely with the other ingredients. Onions are also known for their health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties and a good dose of vitamin C. Freshly minced garlic adds a wonderful aroma and flavor. Garlic is a staple in many cuisines for its pungent taste and health benefits. It's known for its immune-boosting properties and adds a depth of flavor that is simply irresistible. Olive oil is a healthy fat that adds richness and depth to our rolls. A drizzle of olive oil not only helps in cooking but also enhances the flavors of the ingredients. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, making it a heart-healthy choice. Italian herbs like dried oregano, basil, and thyme give that classic Italian flavor. These herbs are essential for that authentic pizza taste. They add a fragrant aroma and a burst of flavor that ties all the ingredients together. Plus, they have their own set of health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Finally, vegan mozzarella cheese. Look for a brand that melts well for that perfect cheesy pull. This cheese alternative is great for those who are lactose intolerant or following a vegan diet. It provides that creamy, gooey texture we all love in pizza rolls without the dairy. When it melts, it creates that irresistible cheesy pull that makes pizza rolls so delightful. And there you have it, all the ingredients we need to make our delicious and nutritious pizza rolls. Let's get cooking. Now for the fun part, assembling our pizza rolls. This is where you can get creative and have some fun with your ingredients. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial to ensure that your pizza rolls cook evenly and get that perfect golden brown finish. While the oven is heating up, lightly grease a baking sheet. This will prevent the pizza rolls from sticking and make for an easier cleanup later. Next, roll out the pizza dough on a lightly floured surface into a large rectangle. Make sure the dough is evenly rolled out to avoid any thick or thin spots. Spread a thin layer of tomato sauce over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. This will help keep the sauce from spilling out when you roll the dough. Sprinkle on a generous amount of vegan mozzarella cheese. The cheese will melt beautifully and add a deliciously creamy texture to your pizza rolls. Then, layer on your chopped veggies, bell peppers, spinach, mushrooms, and red onions. Feel free to add any other veggies you love, like olives or artichokes, to make it your own. Starting from one of the longer sides, Carefully roll the dough into a tight log. Take your time with this step to ensure the roll is even and tight, which will help the pizza rolls hold their shape. Slice the log into 1-inch thick rolls. Use a sharp knife to make clean cuts, and try to keep the slices as uniform as possible for even baking. Place the rolls onto your prepared baking sheet, leaving a bit of space between each. This will allow the heat to circulate around each roll, ensuring they bake evenly. Finally, bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown and heated through. Keep an eye on them towards the end of the baking time to make sure they don't overcook. Once they're done, let them cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade pizza rolls. These veggie-packed vegan pizza rolls are not just delicious, they're packed with good-for-you ingredients. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse loaded with vitamins A, K, and folate. And whole wheat flour provides fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Even better, olive oil, a key ingredient in this recipe, is a heart-healthy fat that's been linked to numerous health benefits. Section 5. Pizza through the ages. Did you know that pizza has a long and fascinating history? It's a story that spans centuries and continents, evolving from simple flatbreads to the diverse and beloved dish we know today. While flatbreads with toppings have been enjoyed for centuries in various cultures, from the ancient Greeks who baked flatbreads called plakous, to the Persians who added cheese and dates, the pizza we know and love today originated in Naples, Italy. In the 18th century, Naples was a bustling waterfront city, and it was here that the modern pizza began to take shape. It started as a simple dish, often sold by street vendors to the working poor. These early pizzas were affordable, filling, and could be eaten quickly, with basic toppings like tomatoes, which were brought to Europe from the Americas in the 16th century, cheese, particularly the fresh mozzarella made from the milk of water buffalo, and herbs like basil. These ingredients combined to create a delicious and satisfying meal. Over time, pizza made its way across the globe, carried by Italian immigrants and embraced by new cultures. Each region added its own twist, creating a myriad of styles and flavors. Evolving and adapting to different cultures and tastes, pizza became a canvas for culinary creativity. From the spicy and tangy flavors of Indian curry pizza to the sweet and savory combinations found in Japanese teriyaki pizza. From the thin crust pizzas of Rome, known for their crispy texture and simple, fresh toppings, to the deep dish delights of Chicago, with its thick, buttery crust and layers of cheese and rich tomato sauce, pizza has become a truly global food, enjoyed by people from all walks of life. It's a dish that brings people together, whether it's a family gathering, a casual meal with friends, or a late-night snack. With countless variations and toppings to suit every palate, from classic margherita to adventurous combinations like pineapple and ham, pizza continues to evolve and delight. Its journey through the ages is a testament to its universal appeal and endless adaptability. Section 6. My pizza roll revelation. I'll be honest, I used to think homemade pizza rolls were too time-consuming, but once I tried this recipe, I was a convert. Not only are they surprisingly easy to whip up, but the flavor is out of this world. The combination of the crispy crust, the savory filling, and the melted vegan cheese is simply irresistible. Plus, I love knowing that I'm feeding my family a snack that's both delicious and nutritious. These veggie-packed vegan pizza rolls have become a staple in our household, perfect for game day snacks, after-school treats, or even a light dinner. Section 7. Join the veggie-packed pizza roll revolution. So, are you ready to ditch those processed, store-bought pizza rolls and create your own homemade masterpieces? I promise, once you try this recipe, you'll never go back. It's a fun and rewarding way to enjoy a classic snack while sneaking in some extra veggies. Plus, it's a great recipe to make with kids. They'll love getting involved in the rolling and filling process. Section 8. Embrace the goodness. These veggie-packed vegan pizza rolls are a testament to the fact that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. They're bursting with flavor, packed with nutrients, and so incredibly satisfying. So go ahead, indulge in a guilt-free snack that's good for your taste buds and your body. You deserve it. Section 9. Ready, set, roll. What are you waiting for? Grab your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's get rolling. I can't wait for you to experience the joy of homemade veggie-packed vegan pizza rolls. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Happy cooking. Subscribe to the E-Green channel, the brainchild of Saeed Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.